Dear friends, we are all going to learn Class 5, Term 2, Unit 1. Poem Mother Nature. Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. The heart in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best. Those who cares for their guest. Thank you, friends. That's all. See you next time.